How to change your name on Snapchat profile easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your name on your Snapchat profile. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Snapchat on your mobile phone. And this is where you will get. We can create Snapchat to chat with our friends. We can create cool snaps, stories, and memories. On Snapchat, we can add our name. There is a username and then there is a name that we have on Snapchat. So let me actually show you. Once you get here, you have to click on your profile at the left top corner. It will take you right here. So you will be able to see that I have a name and then I have a username. So you have to select, we want to change the name right here where you can see it says Sarah Rodriguez, that's my name, and I want to change it. For that, you will click on the settings at the top right corner. And here I can change different settings. So we have the first one is name. You can see my account and it says name. So you have to select that option and here we can change our name that appears on our Snapchat profile. So now I can change it to something else. There you go. I have added my middle name too. So you can also remove the name if you want to. I'm going to click on save and the changes will be saved and now you can see my name will be different. You can see now I also have M. So this is how you can change your name on your Snapchat profile. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.